Kailash Colony, okay. This time, guys. Diba, napakalinis, guys. Ayan, sarado. Okay, so andito tayo ngayon sa TDI. So, medyo marami-rami na pang meron ng Chicago pizza. May rice na may chicken. Nagpunta ako dito ng Dunkin' Donut for sweets. Okay guys, hello sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, nasa panibagong episode naman tayo ng ating vlog dito sa India. At ngayon, itatry natin ang metro ng India. And actually, di ba nga sabi ko sa mga previous vlog is hindi ko siya dapat matatry. Pero since si JD, ang tour guide natin, hello! So siya, nakatira siya dun sa marapit sa Kailash. Kaya ngayon, itatry natin. And titignan natin kung paano nga ba yung proseso kapag ka mag-metro kayo dito sa India. So usually, do we need to buy via card or cash?
Like you can buy the ticket also,
Okay.
and a card also. I'll show you there's a ticket machine. I'll show you how to use that.
Okay, I can buy card. I can, they all ticket only.
One ticket only.
Okay. Because I will just use metro for once with you only.
One ticket is fine.
Yeah. 40 rupees for that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. And how long? Like I will only ride one line?
Yes, this is for direct line. I will guide you.
Okay. So JD will guide us. Thank you so much, JD. Again, guys, if ever, yung link sa Airbnb niya nasa ibaba, huwag niyong kalilimutan yan. Book him because he is good. He is helpful to every guest that he have. So may sinasabi sa atin si JD. What's that again?
So I was saying Indian Metro can beat Japan on timing is that good. So there's a ticket point.
Oh.
You get the ticket machine.
Okay, so let's buy ticket.
Yes. So
Let's buy ticket.
languages like
English.
QR ticket. Kailash Colony.
Kailash Colony. Okay.
One.
One only.
So you have cash.
Cash.
You have 40 rupees with you.
Oh my God. Nagbabayad siya ng 40 rupees for us. Grabe, Kailash Colony. Napakabait ni JD, guys. So, meron palang mas mababa sa 100. Because JD, I usually have the bill. The smallest bill that I have is 100.
No.
That's why every Uber, they didn't give me change. Nagsumbong. UPI. Parang GCash o parang Paymaya or parang GoTime sa kanila. May pa ganun pala sila dito. Can I go via Kailash Colony to Aerocity?
You have to interchange.
Interchange. Okay. But not now. I will go to my last day in Delhi. Puntahan natin kasi yung Aerocity na yun yung parang BGC nila, guys. Parang pure mall, ganung level. Ayan o, bumagsak na doon yung ticket natin. Parang may ticket na doon na bumagsak. Grabe ang bait, guys, na libre tayo. Pero 40 rupee lang naman. Pero at least, di ba? Libre pa din yun. Ito nga pala itsura ng metro dito. So if ever, para masundan nyo yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating vlog, isimulan nyo sa episode 1, episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kasi chronological order po ito. At kung gusto nyo malaman yung real-time update, follow nyo ako sa aking Instagram account. At kung meron kayong gustong itanong sa akin, i-DM nyo ako dyan. Sumasagot po ako sa IG. Kahit naman sa comments dito, okay? Let's go. Okay, so pumasok na tayo. Ayan. May pa-QR code tayo dito. Okay, so andito na tayo ngayon sa train station. At alam nyo, napakadali lang pala ng train station dito. Para lang siya sa Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, ganyan. And ayun, natigan nyo. So nakasakay tayo sa Violet Line. Ayun yung Violet Line, guys. Though dito yung mismong line ng Laikila. Lakila. Yun, doon tayo galing. Pupunta tayo sa Kailash Colony. So doon kasi mismo hotel natin. And napakaswerte natin kasi nga kasama nga natin si JD ngayon. And okay siya, hindi crowded.
First part in the moving direction is reserved for women only.
That one.
Yeah, the first one.
First one always. That's why. So divided dito. May pang men, pang women. But is there any mix?
Yeah, these are the mixed ones,
Mixed
but
one.
the first one is only for women.
And children or women only?
Yeah, women.
Oh.
But yeah, children they can go, they will not. They are with the mothers.
Tapos malamig. Itong train nila, it's cold. Because some trains in other part of Asia, not that cold. But here, it's cold.
It's very good.
Yeah, good.
Condition and everything.
Yeah. Ayan, so kasama pa rin natin ngayon si Ben. Hi, Ben. Nonchalant. Okay. So pupunta siya sa what train station he will go down? He will go down to. He's very quiet, right? Very quiet.
So you see the pink line?
Yeah.
So after the second station, after the Kailash Colony,
Okay. So he will go there.
I will go.
Okay.
I live in the same area.
Okay. So can you teach me where to exit?
Yes, don't worry. You are safe.
We are safe, guys, with JD. At least, di ba?
Very nice. I like this one.
Yeah, actually, same. The station is Delhi Gate.
They have also the indicators. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Like
The
this
orange
place
one.
means like
So this Delhi Gate for India Gate?
India Gate is different.
Okay.
A central secretariat. Then you have to walk. He's going there.
Okay. Okay, so ngayon tatanungin natin si JD kung anong buwan yung okay pumunta dito. Winter, saka summer months. What are the winter months and summer months?
So like if you're coming to India, so plan your trip between November, December, January, February, or first week of March. That's a good month because the weather is very nice.
That's cold.
But right now, if you're coming in summer, then if you're going to mountains, then it's good.
So summer months here are from June to
Means like May, like April end.
April, May, June.
Yeah, April, May, June, July, August.
But did you know, in the Philippines, there's a news about heat wave here.
Yes, it's
Heat wave. But I didn't experience it.
right now it's better.
It's better.
It's better.
But before, last week, it's very hot.
Last week it was very
Like the news told that there's a lot of people died
Yes.
because of heat stroke.
because because of the it was like it was recorded 53
Yeah,
degrees
yeah.
Celsius. That was very hot.
Grabe, 53.
degrees Celsius.
That's
So,
very hot. Did you know I live in one of the hottest cities in the Philippines?
Where?
Cabanatuan City, northern side. The what do you call this? The hottest degree in our city is 40. 40.
40. Okay.
Yeah. That's why I'm kinda immune somehow.
So yes. So 40 is regular here.
Yeah, regular here.
Yes.
Kaya parang feeling ko normal lang ngayon eh. Kasi parang ganun lang din sa Pilipinas.
We will have monsoon in June end, but in monsoon when it rains is good, but after the rain is very humid actually. Monsoon months are June end, July, August, but after the rain, oh my god, it's very humid.
At least kahit pa paano swerte tayo dahil hindi natin natapatan ng heat wave. So it's kinda what do you call this, long travel from our station to Kailash.
Oh yeah, it's just in like let me tell you the time.
It's okay. I'm not rushing.
18 minutes we will reach.
18 minutes.
Okay. It's 126. So in 18 minutes we will reach. Okay. So it's
This time, guys.
and we'll see in 18 minutes.
And also, JD, can you please message me the fun fair and the facial massage? I want to try it as much as possible near to Kailash. If you have any suggestion, is Connaught Place near to our area?
It is, but you have to go to
Tuk-tuk, okay.
I will send you that WhatsApp card, and for face massage you can go to the salon.
Saloon.
Yes, there are
Where
many.
is saloon? Anywhere?
In the Kailash Colony market also.
Kailash. Okay, I will try it.
And M Block market also. I will message you.
Okay.
WhatsApp.
Diba at least meron tayong recommendation from a local like him.
Yes, and for your audience, for the fire pan, I will recommend Odeon Pan in Connaught Place. They are good for fire pan.
Ayan. Kasi yun ang gustong-gusto natin, yung merong maapoy na inilalagay sa bunganga. Wow, bunganga agad. So, try natin yun, guys, if ever may time pa tayo. So, guys, since matagal pa yung aming mismong final station, pinapanood ko kay JD yung mismong Ahsoka Challenge. Di ba meron tayong mga Ahsoka Challenge? Kung TikToker kayo, kilala nyo to, di ba? Sila Lenny, yung mga yan. Yung mga ganyan tugtog. Pinapanood ko sa kanya and his explanation was, ano to? What's again? Ahsoka?
But Ashoka, this is from a movie. It's an old movie, maybe 15 or 20 years ago or something like that. And this song is from that movie. That movie is quite a nice movie.
So it's around a movie from 2020, 2020,
Yes,
2010?
like 90s or something.
90s, matagal na. At least familiar si JD dito. So that's very famous in the Philippines, like literally famous. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung labas. Oh, 'di ba? Napakalinis, guys. Napakaganda. Like ito din yung sa side na to. Oh. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung train, ganyan yung itsura. So ito, hindi natin nakikita to sa mga vlog na meron palang ganito. Though meron ting mga train na parang yung train na bukas lang siya, na medyo mainit. Though hindi naman lahat ganun. So meron ding maganda na parang mga train din sa ibang bansa. Okay, dito na tayo. Kailash Colony, yung station natin. Doon malapit ang ating hotel at doon din nakatira si JD. Let's go. So, we need the QR code again.
Down.
Okay, we need that when going out. This one. We need this. Okay, so dito siya. Dito siya. Where is the side of my hotel? It's very near. Okay, we will go out na. Grabe, buti nakasama natin si JD dito. At nag-enjoy ako. And at least na-experience natin tong train-trainan, di ba? Yun naman ang mahalaga dito, madlang people. Naging lokal-lokal tayo. Let's go. Grabe naman, bukas pa ba to, madlang people? Bakit naman saradong-sarado? Let's go. Ayan, saradong-sarado. Okay guys, so ngayon palabas na tayo. At actually, nag-book na tayo ng Uber. At ngayon pupunta tayo sa KFC. Kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung ano itsura ng KFC dito. And usually, again, kapag nag-book kayo ng Uber is kailangan nyo ibigay yung 4-digit PIN nyo para maging match. Pagka naka-match nyo yung nagda-drive is ibig sabihin nun ay tama. Ganon. Kumbaga may confirmation na needed kasi. So, medyo maaga pa dito. 4:38 PM pa lang. At may araw-araw pa. And let's go. Pumunta muna tayo sa KFC kasi gusto ko talaga siyang puntahan. Plus, aside from that, gusto ko pa guys lumabas kasi bukas pupunta na tayo ng Agra para ma-explore naman natin tong lugar. No? So, let's go! I'm from the Philippines and it's my first time here in India. But tomorrow, I'll move to Agra. Manila, yeah. Philippine immigration corrupt? Corrupt? Yeah. Why? You went there?
Philippine immigration.
Yeah. Yeah. Somehow. Actually, before I went here, I was hold for a little bit.
My friend of Philippine Manila.
Like they are kinda questioning, or I think they are kinda thinking if I will go. I mean, if what will I do here? Is your friend a Filipino or Indian?
Philippine friend marry Indian boy, marry a Philippine.
Okay. So he is in the Philippines right now. Yeah. Actually, yeah, it's true. Some immigration corrupt.
Yeah.
It's true. Even in other countries, I experienced it in Indonesia as well.
Indonesia.
Yeah, I experienced it in Indonesia. Malaysia is corrupt too, but India is good. I didn't experience corrupt India.
No immigration. Okay, go.
Oh yeah, okay. Immigration here is good.
Smooth.
They didn't ask me that much because I provided all the things. Okay, so andito tayo ngayon sa TDI Mall. So, andito yung mismong KFC nila. And nakapag-usap kami ng mismong driver natin, guys. So, corrupt daw yung immigration sa Pilipinas, which is, yung iba naman talaga, totoo, hindi naman natin matatanggi. Pero karamihan naman hindi. Talagang nang-hold lang sila. Pero, corrupt daw sa mga foreigners, yun ang sabi. Which is, ganoon din naman ang ginagawa sa akin ng mga ibang foreigners. I mean, ibang bansang immigration officer. Naalala ko yung ginawa sa atin sa Bali, Indonesia. Nanangil sa atin ng 1.5 million, di ba? Sana pala nag-train na lang tayo kasi same line lang pala to, itong KFC na to doon sa Kailash Metro. Kasi yung mismong hotel natin dito, malapit lang siya sa metro mismo, guys. Dito ba KFC o sa baba? Parang nasa metro station ako. Madlang people, mali na naman tayo, guys. Mali tayo. Edi ngayon, bumaba tayo ulit. Grabe, namali na naman tayo, guys. Oh, so medyo marami-rami na pang makakainan pa lang pwede nating makainan dito. So, tumikim-tikim tayo ng fast food, guys. Para naman mabuhay-buhay naman tayo. Okay? So, bababa tayo, tapos pasok tayo dito. Okay, ito. So, meron dito Tim Hortons, may Dunkin' Donut. Saan dito ngayon yung KFC? Baka dito. Meron dito Chicago Pizza. Ito. Naka ano siya, guys? Naka food court style. So, order tayo. Order tayo dito, guys. Ayan, ang food nila dito. Burgers, tapos chicken. Tapos ito parang ang ahang nito. Tingnan nyo pula. So, ang presyo nito nung bakit pinakamura 459 rupees. Tapos itong side na to is 318 rupees naman tong burger na to. Okay? Pakadami nila mga drinks. Wow! You don't have a rice meal?
Yes, sir.
You have? Where? Loading. Can I see?
One rice balls of popcorn rice ball, one Pepsi, 261.
What is, do you have iced tea?
Ice captain, sir, not ice tea.
Okay. Di tayo makapili. Dito pala kasi yung mismong rice meal. So, mag-burger tayo. Pero sabihin ko, gusto ko pa rin kasi talaga ng mismong rice meal.
Anything else, sir?
Sige, kung ano na lang sinasabi ni Kuya ang nire-recommend niya. Bumasa na lang tayo sa kanya. Feeling ko naman honest siya at mabait naman siya. Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah.
How much is cost?
Sorry, I don't know in rupees.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
So your order number 2.
So in rupees, 42,000. 42,000 in rupees. Yeah. 2-piece chicken with rice?
With rice.
With rice, yeah.
Popcorn rice bowl, yes, smoky rice bowl, hot and
What's the not spicy?
Not spicy, sir.
Not spicy. Thai part chicken? Okay, what? I want that to the 2
One Thai.
Yeah. And I want with fries as well.
Rice.
Fries. And the drinks, not Pepsi. I want not soft drinks.
No problem.
Mountain Dew, mojito.
Not a...
No. Only this one? Okay. Good. Okay. Nagdudugo ang ilong natin, guys.
One popcorn rice ball, sir. One regular fries, regular Pepsi. One piece Thai chili chicken.
2.
2.
2 piece. Is it okay? 2 Thai part? Please. Anya ba? And since hindi tayo namili, naka 528 rupees tayo. Ang galing! So, kasi siya yung pinapili ko. So, at least, mababarya na yung pera natin. Much better, di ba? Kasi wala tayong mga barya-barya ng mga nakakaraan, kaya hindi tayo sinusuklian sa Uber. At least now, meron na tayong pambarya-baryahan. Okay, so naka-order na tayo guys. At ang order number natin is 204. Actually, ito lang talaga dinayo ko dito. KFC lang. Pero napakadami pala dito. Meron pala ditong Burger King, meron ditong Domino's, meron ditong Wow Momo. So Wow Momo sikat sa kanila dito. Pero pagbalik na lang natin dito sa Delhi natin yung puntahan. Kasi ang itinerary natin ay ngayon Delhi tayo, bukas mag-Agra tayo. Tapos after ng Agra, isupunta tayo ng Jaipur, tapos babalik na naman tayo dito sa Delhi. So sa last day natin dito sa Delhi tayo na. Grabe, tignan yung number, oh. Napakaliit naman guys. Ayun pa yung number. Ayan, so nakikita nyo, ayun oh, napakaliit. Paano natin makikita to? Malabo na nga ang mata natin, madlang people. Mas pinaliit pa nila. Okay guys, so ito na yung order ko. Ay wow, meron pala siyang pa-chicken. So, grabe. Ayan. So, may order tayo. May rice na may chicken, 2-piece chicken, tapos fries. So, dahil sa language barrier, itong rice lang dapat. May chicken pala siya, kaya mahal. Tapos 2-piece, the Thai part, which is nasunod. Tapos fries, tapos yung coke. Talaga ako nagko-coke, guys. Yan, iniiwasan ko na siya. Pero, ala eh. Yun ang sinerve sa atin. Kumain na tayo. And alam niyo yung spoon and fork nila, wala silang fork. Puro spoon lang. So, spoon lang. Ganong level. Kumain natin to. Sinabi ko hindi maanghang. Pero ang anghang na binigay. Numingiti ako guys kasi nakatingin sa akin ng mga staff. So syempre pag dito binigyan, wala tayong magiging vlog. Kanin nila para may curry. Sabi ko pa naman gusto ko plain. Maganda ang anghang. Ang anghang. Stop. Doom anghang. Let's take out na yung 2-piece chicken kasi may chicken na pala to. Yun lang din naman pala yung mga kainan dito guys. So, ganun na lang gawin natin. Sarap. Do, maanghang lang talaga. At alam niyo yan, hindi ako ganang sa maanghang. Grabe yung kanin, may bell pepper. Grabe, pinagtitinginan ako madlang people. Nasa likod ng camera. Ang anghang. Pinipilit ko huwag mag-coke. Grabe, ang anghang talaga guys. Dahil pa lang sinabi ko plain rice. Okay, so ayan, nagpunta ako dito ng Dunkin' Donut for sweets kasi parang gustong-gusto ko na ng matamis. Ang tagal na kasi kung di nakapag-sweets. So, ang binayaran ko dito is 507 rupee. O, diba? So, until now guys, like literally, hindi pa ako sanay sa rupee na salita. Kasi usually, rupiah, SGD, NTD, puro ganyan mga sinasabi ko. Pero ngayon, first ever, again, natin, magpa-try yun. Marami ng mga nag-message. Kasi ni-reveal ko na by this time sa Instagram account ko na pupunta tayo ng India. I mean, na nasa India tayo. And karamihan sa mga nanonood sa atin dito sa mismong YouTube is pina-follow tayo sa Instagram. So if ever kung hindi nyo pa ako pina-follow, yung socials, ilalagay ko dito sa screen. And grabe, natutuwa ako kasi karamihan sa mga OG na nanonood sa atin, like talagang pinanonood yung mga vlogs natin, is alam nila na gustong-gusto natin na punta ng India. Kaya yun, maraming salamat. If ever kung hindi nyo pa ako follow me and real time ako mag-update doon. Like, minsan hindi. Late lang ng 1 day or 2 days. But at least, di ba? Closest to real time. Lahat ng travel ko, sinasabi ko doon. So, kumain na tayo ng donut nila. Yung donut nila, mga ibang flavor din. Ito ay salted caramel, I think. Init ah. Sarap. Sarap. Tik yung mga nandiyan sa taas. Sarap. Salted caramel to. Though, hindi ko alam kung available pa pagka nagpunta kayo in India. Kasi parang basa ko sa kanya, parang limited edition. Naalala ko, nung nagpunta tayo ng Japan, meron akong shinare sa inyo ng matcha na donut. Tapos hindi na, phase out na, wala na. Grabe, lungkot ko na nung bumalik ko ng Japan. Though hindi ko pa napopost yung panibagong vlog series about that. Pero meron po tayo kasi vlog series about that. So itong red velvet naman nila tinikman ko. Parang literal na red velvet something. Hindi yung matamis, parang may ibang taste sa loob. So masarap. Yung red velvet na feeling sa loob, hindi ganun ka red velvetan. Pero yung nasa toppings, matamis na matamis siya guys. Like, level ko from 1 to 100, 100, gano'n. Sarap.